Hey, hey, what? Ray Mack, hey, what? Hey, what? Welcome to Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill. Love and not hate. Love and not hate. Welcome to Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill. Love and not hate. What? Love and not hate. Come on. Welcome to Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill. We're about to do this again, y'all. What we're going to do now, as you can see, I got my ingredients and stuff laid out on the table. But we're going to do some beef and mixed vegetables, all right? So it's going to be like an Asian flair to it. But let me show you what I got right quick, all right? So I got some beef here that I already went and I shredded it up, okay? Now, the best thing, this is some beef round right here. The best thing that I can honestly say that you could do with this is just freeze this, put it in the freezer, you know what I'm saying? And once it get frozen to the point to where you're able to slice it, just go ahead and slice it. You get a better cut that way, all right? So now, since I got the beef, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna add the ingredients to this here, and then you will see exactly in the description what ingredients I used and how much I used. So I'm going to leave you that much in the description box. So let's go ahead and put this together. First thing I'm going to use, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put some of this here red wine vinegar in it. All right, add a little twist to that, put a little some of that in there, and then I'm going to add some baking soda to this. All right, and then we got some dark soy sauce. Put a little bit more. All right. So with that, I'm going to add some sugar. Along with some cornstarch. And some black pepper. Like we say, we're going to do a little Asian flat of this. All right. Then we're going to put in some sesame oil. This right here goes a long way. A little bit goes a long way. So you have to use a little bit of this stuff because this sesame oil can be overpowering at times. So, like I said, I'm leaving the description below for you guys. Then we have 1 egg white from 1 egg. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to use my hands, y'all. I'm eating this food. All right, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and just mix this up real good. I'm eating this food, so I can use my hands. All right, so I got this mixed up, and I'm going to let this marinate for about 30 minutes before I go ahead and fix it up. But in between time, I'm going to go ahead and get this sauce done up for this and go from there. And you can smell that sesame oil. That's why I say you got to be careful when using that. All right, so there we go, and I'll be right back, and we're going to get this thing up and popping. All right, for our vegetables, we're going to use some carrots, carrots, celery, and I got some mushrooms. And I got an onion that I'm going to use also. All right, so I'm just going to split this here. I think this will be enough. This will be enough carrots right here. Keep everything rustic. enough celery. I can also add the leaves. Just gonna slice these onions up into thin slices. Set them on there. Use a whole onion. You could use a half onion, but I'm gonna use a whole onion. And got me some mushrooms going in that. And that is it. Alright guys, we're gonna go ahead and make the sauce for the beef. So I got right here half a cup of water. Then I'm gonna put in some soy sauce. Like I said, the measurements is gonna be below. Alright, and I'm gonna put in some hoisin sauce. Along with that, we're gonna get us some sugar in here. And some salt. With some beef broth. That should be about enough. And some cornstarch. Alright, and you get a fork. And just go ahead and whip this up real quick. Clean up my little spillage. Just whip this up. And then we're going to go ahead and just set this to the side. So that's done. Next thing we're going to do is just go ahead and get the wok out and prepare the fork on the stove. So I'm going to go ahead and turn the heat on to high, because I'm going to go ahead and put some oil in this here, baby. Alright, y'all, I'm going to go ahead and put some of this oil in here. It should be about ready. I think that should be about enough for that. So we're going to go ahead and add some of this here garlic. About a spoonful. Then with that, did y'all say more garlic? Okay then, I'll give you what I got left. There you go. Let me go ahead and add the meat. Alright. Spread this out a little bit. I'm just gonna let this cook down till it brown up. I don't want to sit here and cook this long, because if I do, that garlic will burn, and then it's not gonna make the meat taste good. So it'll taste burnt. So I don't want to burn the garlic. So I just want to go ahead and just cook this and brown this up a little bit. Alright, so what I ended up doing was letting this cook for about 2 minutes. So I'm going to take it on out. It's not fully cooked yet, but it will. I'm going to take this out. Put it into a clean bowl. Cut the bits off so you can hear what I'm saying. So I let it cook for 2 minutes. I'm taking the meat out. I'm gonna go ahead and wash this wok. And then we're gonna do the veggies right quick. So stay tuned. Don't go nowhere. All right, we got our wok clean. We're gonna add some more oil to this. Okay. And we're gonna add our veggies to this. Get our mushrooms in here. Add just a little bit of these. And then we're gonna toss in our veggies. Yes, just want to get these just a little tender. And if you want, you could go ahead and cook these carrots. You can soften your carrots up. You can steam them, and they'll be just as better. You know. And then add it to the wok just like I just did here. Alright, let me keep going for a little while. Don't it look good? It look good all by itself right there. Alright. Alright, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to add this meat back to it. Get that mixed up. Okay. And then I'm going to go ahead and add that sauce to it right now. Probably won't use all this sauce, but there we go. Let this thicken up a little bit. And you can put this over a bed of rice, a bed of noodles. With me, I'm just going to eat it just like it is. Let me add the rest of this here. And just a touch of the beef broth, just a touch. There we go. I'm just gonna taste it just to see if I need to add any salt to it. It'll be all right. This mixed vegetables and beef is done. Let me dress some of this over some rice. I'm gonna have to get me some rice. Alright, this is the beef and vegetables, mixed vegetables. So came out pretty good. Tastes pretty dang good too. This is something y'all need to try, man. Trust and believe me. You gotta eat that. Alright. So I want to thank y'all for checking out Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill. Give this recipe a try. I guarantee you'll love it. Without no question of a doubt. Without no question of a doubt. How that sound? But it's good. Try it out, y'all. Alright. Peace. I want to thank you guys so much for checking out this here video. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the subscribe button. And next to that subscribe button, there is a notification bell. Click on it. You will be notified of up and coming videos. I want to give a special huge shout out to my nephew, Laquan, aka Laquan Keys. He helped me with the new intro. Laquan, I love you. May God continue to bless you with the talents that you have, my brother. Thank you guys. Love and not hate. Peace.